What's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel, traders. Yes, Lambo Raul, the GOAT of forex YouTube. 68.8k subscribers. We've reacted to a lot of these videos on this channel before. Today, well actually 3 days ago, he uploaded making 100k in a day trading US30. Now I hope there's no cap in this video. Okay, I want to see a bank withdrawal. I want to see a bank statement. I want to see something. As you can see, he's got the Ferrari on the front, a Miri jumper. This guy's an absolute baller. Iced out watch, tats all over the gaff. 50k views. Without further ado,
a few hours later, I'm glad I held the position.
Let's see what happens.
I'm glad I was able to mentally maintain and compose myself, because it was I'm telling you guys, it was very difficult to actually be able to hold this position. So far, price is now broken under support, but I think I'm gonna get out here, to be honest. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like to make $100,000 in a few hours here.
He just closing it all.
100k profit.
Yo, wait. The thing is, and I've said this before, right? That 100k profit, and we've reacted to videos before in the past, and the guy's literally calling out people trading on MetaTrader on the PC because it's fake brokerage. Even if it's a real brokerage, there's ways around it. And yo, just because you says withdraw or made profit doesn't mean it's real. And like, yo, I love the fact that Raul is doing this. I love other YouTubers doing it too. It's not just Raul. But like, the fact of the matter is, look at these titles: 100k, 62k, 41k. They're not showing actual live accounts with different brokers. They're showing all of the same. They're all of the same broker, and they're just advertising. You get me? So they're getting banning titles, banning views, and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys actually think about these, and obviously we'll talk about it throughout the video. But let me know in the comments: do you actually think these guys are actually making 100k in a day, or do you reckon these are just like real brokerage, but like they're not actually getting the profits? You know.
The awkward start, huh? Yeah. The awkward start, huh? I've been having a pretty few big trading days over the last couple of weeks because I started trading US30 again, and I kind of changed up my routine and my trading schedule to mainly focus on the New York session. So I decided to more or less challenge myself psychologically, not just psychologically, but even just challenge my technical skills, right? So I'm trading maybe a little bit of smaller capital, still 6 figures worth of capital, but it's more of like a challenge for myself. Anyways, so today I was trading US30. I entered a few positions at like 6 in the morning, and then again like at 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning, right? The positions, I was up maybe like, I think at the best, 75k. And then price pulled all the way back on me, but the trade was still valid. And my profit target was maybe like 150, 200k-ish, right? And then after being, in profit 75k to then literally in drawdown like $15,000, the trade finally went in my favor, right?
Up 75 grand, and then the trade went to minus 15k in drawdown. Holy psychology, believed in these analysis, and here we go.
And I saw momentum slowing down. It was near the end of the day. It's already 1 o'clock. I decided to close the trade, right? More importantly, right, the withdrawal already hit. So this is my Kraken account, but as you can see, August 19th, $31,800.
The thing is, he's not showing a trading withdrawal, right? Hear me out. His new prop firm could have made 32 grand in crypto, and he's just withdrew that. His courses might accept Bitcoin or crypto. He's exchanged it into that. There's so commission from Athens broker. There's so many ways this guy could have made 32 grand in crypto. Showing a Tether wallet does not mean that you're making money and you're withdrawing it. Do you get what I'm trying to say here, guys? Like, I know if I met this guy in real life, I'm sure, we would have some great conversations. And I'm not even shitting on this guy in terms of his trading. But like, do you understand what I mean? But I guess we just gotta respect.
11, 10-4? So yeah.
Yo, we'll just believe whatever we see in it.
I'm gonna use a
That's
portion of that withdrawal because I don't really need the whole thing. I'm gonna get my boy AB birthday present. So AB has been working with me literally since the beginning of the year, and I've seen him literally put his 110% effort. So it's his birthday tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Or is it today at 12? Are we in the festival? Yeah. I've seen him put in the effort, so we came a timepiece to get him a little gift. I think it's gonna be dope. I think. Well, yeah, just to show him, you know, keep up the hard work. Appreciate you as a friend, business partner, etc., etc. You know, I think he deserves it. Yeah, I like the rose gold one, or like my first RM. Oh, you want like you like the regular like titanium? That's what you're talking about. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
I think you should get the Ferrari one, the slim one.
That's disgusting, bro.
What do you think?
He said he thinks I should get the Ferrari one.
You should do pendant, bro.
No, for sure, bro.
Like a crate, like a mat,
look at the walls, marble.
But the thing is, I want to get a tennis with the pendant. That's what I want to
You
do.
put the pendant on the Cuban, bro.
You think so?
Yeah.
How much he has tennises?
Yo, how much you guys sell tennises for?
You're gonna get it for 18.
You know, shit happens. You know, I had a big trade today, so I might just withdraw. You know, just
Yo, withdraw. Let's see it.
request another withdrawal for the broker. Yo, hurry up though.
Yeah, but it's smart. You're buying hard assets. You're not like throwing money away like on stupid shit like that. You're not gonna get back.
This is timepiece training, by the way. If you know that Steve will do it, these are the boys that hook up Steve will do it. Yo, if Raul can like not make friends, but you know what I mean. I think Raul's becoming like a proper celebrity now in like the States, or like not proper celebrity, but you know what I mean. One of those mini influencers, celebrities where, yo, he's making dough, he's getting in with the right crowd. This guy is making connections, bro. I'm telling you, these meals as well, these Richard Minis, boys watching this channel, right? I swear on my life, I'm gonna grind my absolute arse off, get 1 million plus funding within the next like 4, 5, 6 months, and I'm going to become Lambo Raul 2.0, but in the UK. Amen to that.
It's safe, bro. This one.
Rolex is better.
Are
Like,
these aftermarket?
yeah, they are.
How much is that watch?
42.5.
Oh my god. I'm buying an ice
That was
out
nice.
watch.
Yeah, and it's, I think it's a good price too. Like, that's 17. Yeah, you get
Can I see that one?
this.
No, the one at the bottom left.
I think he can wear that for forever. Like, yeah, he's good.
Bottom left. It's got to be the bottom left one.
Oh no.
You know, I just texted in the group chat. I was like, yeah, I'll see you soon. And then I see your
I was
car
over here.
downstairs, so I'm pulling up.
I like the black face right here.
You think so? Or you think he like this one better?
Yeah, who like the rose gold?
I don't
That
know.
one's really nice too.
This is black or blue?
It's blue.
Blue.
The rose gold, man, 100%.
Or should I get him a Rolly? So that one's 45?
42.5.
This one, yeah.
42.5. Yeah. What?
Oh shit! Look at that AP, 45 bags, man. Yo, the thing is, these. Was he actually saying these are a good investment? These have got to be the worst fucking investment in Lord world. Like that doesn't even make sense, and that's why this investment don't make sense. Like it just. You're buying shit diamonds on a watch that was decent and then got fucking super glued diamonds onto it. And now you've got shit diamonds on a decent branded watch which isn't the watch anymore because it's not a factory reset. It's been absolutely kaboomed, mate.
Why is it so like affordable? I don't want to say low or cheap.
Because it's aftermarket.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
The
That makes
movement's
sense.
original, though,
The movement's original.
Yeah.
That's what causes the like a little bit increase in value.
I think this will be great for AB.
It's like a 31 millimeter, bro.
Oh, stop it.
It's 26.
26, yeah.
That's some shit for my daughter, bro. I don't know, I'm kind of leaning more on this one.
That one's really nice.
Yeah.
That looks like, yeah, I mean.
How much is this one?
Alex's old one.
That's
This is Alex's?
Yeah.
That's why. I was like, yo, it looks so similar to Alex's watch. I didn't want to say it. I'm like,
Mate, I need to get into like the ice diamond business, man. Like, I need to figure out how these boys are doing it, because it ain't rocket science, you know. These fellas at this timepiece, this is how like other people become successful from other people's businesses and ideas, man. You just got to do it yourself. And it's like, these people from timepiece, man, they're young. They're like 28, 30s. They've done it. All you need is to buy watches, super glue some diamonds on, and bang, mate.
Okay, so
How much is it?
I will not buy this one then.
Don't buy this. Matter of fact, you guys should clean this one thoroughly.
Imagine like, oh Alex, you know, I bought your old watch for AB. So we flipping a coin for 1,000 off or what, Sean?
No, bro, that's already too cheap.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see what we did for that.
It's very
That's
fair.
what we need for it.
Oh, really?
No, let's not flip a coin.
think
And
this
let's
one?
just hook you up.
Yeah,
already-
bro, you're taking
Just
it
out
at
of the love.
No, you're taking it
Nah.
at cost, bro.
I was fucking with you guys.
No, he wasn't.
No,
Well, that's hard though.
oh yeah, Neil gave
dumb
me
hard.
this for
Like
my
that?
birthday.
hard.
Yeah, bro, I love it.
Dumb hard. It looks really good on this.
Oh, nice. That's a black ceramic.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, that watch.
Yeah,
that
this is
watch
probably the best one,
fire.
right?
Yeah, I like that. That's why I like that one, man.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna,
Yo, I promise you.
I'm gonna take this one though.
Cool, go.
Listen, AB has been talking about getting a watch for a very long time, right? And because I made 100K today on US30, right? You know, the price of the watch really isn't significant to what I made today, just trading alone. And AB's been working super hard. You know, he's a good friend of ours, and I think he deserves it. And you know, I think it's a dope ass like
Yo,
first
who's
watch, bro.
AB?
So it's a buzz down Cartier.
He's an addict.
Super sick. It's a dope watch. Box and papers, obviously. No fugazi. If you guys want to buy a watch, make sure you guys hit up Timepiece, because let me tell you, I bought watches at other places and gotten completely fucked. And I've never been fucked once at Timepiece. I think we should go to Amiri, get him a shirt,
Yeah.
right? So then we wrap the watch inside of the shirt. Yeah, you gotta close the door.
Oh, shit.
We wrap the watch inside of the shirt, and then we give him the gift, like, yo, bro, you know, I got you a shirt from Amiri. That's what he's probably expecting from me. A shirt from Amiri. So, yeah, it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. Let's do it. Yo, he's driving a car like shit.
You guys know how to drive DCT?
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
that sounded hard.
God, bro, did you hear this? Did you hear that car, man? What the? Man, my car going. That car, man.
What a
Damn, he
douche.
made it burble and everything. What a dickhead, bro.
I know, what a douchebag.
Only a dickhead would
My
drive a
car's
fucking
outside my
BMW.
DX.
Only a fucking dickhead.
I know.
Didn't he have one?
I did. And mine was just as obnoxious. So was my McLaren. That shit's ridiculous. I'm just not gonna say it. Yeah.
Oh no, it is Alex. Is it Alex? Hold on.
Chilla? Let's go, baby.
No, it's not. You wanna go first? Yeah. You gotta see the mirror trip we got you.
I was just about to go to Iberia right now.
Oh, really? You don't have to anymore.
Yeah?
I love it how they've got a Miri, man. It's definitely one of the freshest brands. Like, facts, man. This is gonna be sick surprise, man. If someone hooked me up with an Iron Style watch, man, straight away I'm putting it in my mouth just to test the diamonds, make sure they're real. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got a little taste.
Are you my boy? What is this? You're a trader. I got you. Okay.
Yo, this one hand shit is
So
on
much paper, bro.
Yo, fat. I was just about to go get a shirt too. Okay.
Open it, man. You can
You gotta beat the shirt and the belt that I got you.
Alright.
You do the shirt first.
Alright. Let's do the shirt first.
back in for seconds. Let's go back in for seconds.
Okay. They put so much rap in this thing. They have the ones you open. Yo, fat. He's gonna do it this way.
Nah, but peep the back. That's just hard.
I think I've seen this one. Oh, okay.
Peep the belt. Peep the belt.
Okay.
Yo, for this guy, it's like Christmas.
Yo, it's the one who won that.
What happened? Alright, put this over here. Alright, belt. Since one belts come like this, huh?
That's how niggas is feeling, bro.
Oh my God, bro. Is that it? Just a handshake? Mate, I'll be screaming.
We deserve it, bro. All right, everybody. So, you know, as you guys saw from the intro, and kind of talking about the breakdown over the course.
Yo, real talk. Respect for all doing that. Like, facts. That's insane. That just goes to show the type of person he actually is. Not only just buying a nice watch, you know, he's gone to Amiri, bought some Amiri stuff, given it to him, and he's just blessing it up. And I know, yo, it's a 10 minute video already, and he spent a lot of money, made 100k, given back, and he doesn't have to give back. And you could say, yeah, it's for content or whatever, but like, yo, he said it to start with. The guy works hard. I don't know what he does for Raul, but he obviously does something. And yeah, you just gotta respect people like that, man, because in the end of the day, not everyone's kind, not everyone's giving, and when he's on top, obviously he gives back, man. So respect. Subscribe to him. Link is in the description.
Of the vlog so far. Finally, we're at the breakdown portion of the video. So as you guys can see, these are all the positions that I took here. That this is, you know, no screenshot. This is actually
I'm pretty sure he's got a new tattoo. Like that tattoo there on his side of his head. That was never there, I swear.
These are all the positions that I took here. That this is, you know, no screenshot. This is actually the MetaTrader 5 program. So $29,000 gain, $27,000 position.
Look at this.
$26,000, $6,000, and $10,000 position, all for a total lump sum of about $101,000 profit with a $32,000 withdrawal. Which,
bro, if I'm right, that's 0.4%. This guy's account's insanely high, like crazy high. Like he's making 0.43%, and that's 29 grand.
which I did use, and the only reason I withdrew a portion of that money is because it was AB's birthday, so I did get him a very nice gift. He works very hard, and I feel like, you know, he's a great friend of mine and does definitely deserve it. So I wanted to, you know, kind of give him a nice birthday gift, and then I used the rest because we were outside. But anyways, guys, so you guys see 100k profit, 32k withdrawal. This is a live account. So now the reason as to why I took this trade, and I'm going to explain the breakdown and obviously break down why I took this trade so that you guys can also benefit from this educational video and potentially catch moves like this yourselves. So when it came down to the daily time frame, because most of my decisions always come from the daily time frame, all of my trading decisions always start off with the daily time frame and the weekly time frame, then I work my way down to the lower time frames to be able to capitalize off of that trade, right? So when it came down to the daily time frame, US30 had came to a very important level of resistance. Just by simply looking left, structure will always leave clues. If we look at this area of resistance where there is support and resistance here, right? Every time US30 has come to this specific zone, it's had a very huge move in the opposite direction. We could see that here from the buy standpoint. We could see that here from the sell standpoint. So my ideology behind this specific trade was, you know, if US30 can actually continue to reject this resistance, then we'll come all the way down to 3334.30, which is quite a, you know, travel away. It's a big move. So I was looking for this to be a pretty big trade, and sadly I'm not holding the position anymore. Obviously I closed, or else I could potentially be up almost maybe $200,000 at this point. But you know what, guys, it is what it is. You know, I'm not going to dread over what it could have been. It is what it is, and I'm just simply going to move on and look for the next setup. So knowing that US30 is at this major area of resistance, we're typically, you know, breaking this area of resistance down to a lower time frame. Every time prices approach this area of resistance, it's at a huge and very fast move in the opposite direction. Now, it was kind of a struggle for me to continue to try and sell this area, because initially you know, I was taking sells throughout this entire area, but then price came down and rejected, and then came down again and rejected this support level. So I knew once support can actually break, all I'd have to do is wait for the retest, which we see on this 4-hour candlestick here, and then we should see price come into the next 4-hour low, which is here. Now, this trade was solely taken off of the lower time frames. When it came to me actually taking the position and entering the trade, I actually entered the trade very early. I actually entered the trade pre-market hours, probably around 6 in the morning. So initially price had
it actually
broke under, pulled all the way back, and once this 15-minute candlestick closed is when I actually started to take on sell positions. So in terms of like stop loss and take profit, I had a pretty large take profit, so my stop loss was pretty much right at these highs over here, where I felt as if, you know, if price does get above this area, you know, I'm only going to give it this much room to fluctuate, because I knew we could see a lot of volatility during that 9 a.m. Stock market open. And at minimum, you know, my first target would make me almost 5 times my risk here, which, you know, actually was a little bit more than I expected, you know.
So that actually says 4.3. So
this is what the risk to reward ratio looked like essentially when I started to take the position, which was about a 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. But like I said again, you know, right once price broke under,
that's what I'm saying. His account must be like 2-3 million, like if not more, because I'm pretty sure he's making 29 bags from like a 0.4%. Or like, that's £2.9 million account, 1%. So he's got a $6.8 million account, and 0.5% is 30 bags, 29 bags, or over 30 bags. That's a bro. Does he actually have 6-7 million in a live funding account? You know what I mean? Like,
I might be wrong. Broke under this major area of support. You have to think about what the best opportunity would be. Would it be, you know, just take a trade based off a breakout?
Like from when he was at, like a year ago, if that. Like he had some good cars and all that sort of stuff, and like yeah, well, he was doing always sick. And then he made 100 bags from prop firm, which I swear was like his most ever earning amount. So it's just like, he obviously traded prop firm for a reason, right? Because he didn't have the live capital. So then how all of a sudden now he's just got all this like 6-7 million capital in like a year? Like, just can't be.
Or wait for price to pull back into the support, wait for support to form resistance, and then look for price to continue to go short. And me personally, how I like to set up my trades is I always like to take trades based off of major areas of support and resistance. And as you can see on this hourly time frame, this was a very important area of support. And I knew right once price broke under support, I would wait for that retest because it would create the best trading opportunity for me to go short. Now I only take trades off of support and resistance levels because they give me areas where I can securely protect my position. And what do I mean by that? When we take support and resistance level trades, they're not just the most high probability setups, but on top of that, we have an area where we can safely execute our orders and put a nice stop loss where we know that resistance level or that support level is protecting our stop loss. Along with that being said, not just our stop loss is being protected, but it gives us a good risk reward ratio potential in terms of, hey, you know, I'm going to look to enter at this resistance and look to get out at this support level. Now obviously things didn't play out the way I wanted to for this trade in specific, mainly because of timing and volume. There wasn't a lot of volume. As you can see, there's a lot of consolidation, and obviously, you know, the market literally just opened. This was the market open candlestick. I'm not going to expect, you know, the market to move the way it is right now, and I'm not going to enter a position either. Right, so you know, it kind of is, it's a little bit of an unfortunate situation because my target is down here and price is literally traveling straight towards my target, but there's always going to be another trade. I'm still glad that I was able to walk away with a profit, but really, like I said,
basically the only reason he entered was because of this pullback.
When it came down to me taking this position, I took the position based off of this break and retest. I wanted to take a little bit more of an aggressive entry. So right once price broke support, again, all I did was wait for price to come back into previous support to see if there's going to be selling pressure and if that area of previous support can hold as resistance. And I only, again, take trades at these support and resistance levels because I have a nice and safe area that I can set my stop loss. Remember, we set our stop loss above an area of resistance because we have that area to protect our stop loss order. And we know if price breaks that area of resistance, then most likely we were wrong anyways, and we're going to cut our loser short. And the target was this support level down here. But you know what? It is what it is. I'll always find another setup. I'll kind of wait and see what price looks like over the next few hours. Obviously, I would like to see some form of a pullback, but you know, volume looks very strong right now. So, I mean, one thing you have to keep in mind as well is that, you know, there was a point in this specific trade where price did actually come all the way back and break even, and I actually got out of the position somewhere along here just because I didn't see volume continue to hold. So I decided to get out here, and you know, I could have gone out here and I pretty much would have made the same exact thing. I would have made maybe 75 grand. I was up 80 grand at one point, but me holding for this extra.
I'm actually gonna get 1 mil funding. Subscribe to this channel. I swear down, Raul, if you're watching this, yo, Alex, if you're watching this, if any of you are watching this, right, I swear on my life, within the next 6 months, I'll get over 1 mil, 2 mil funding from all prop firms, including your own. And then I want an invite. I want to come see the pad. I want to come see the Lambo. And then I'm gonna master US30. And then when I master US30 and I'm making 100 racks every like other week, like maybe once a month, 100 racks, I'm then buying a boat. And then with that boat, I'm not leaving that boat. Only when I want to. Only when I want to. And then I'm just going to trade on my boat for the rest of my life.
You know, a few pips, maybe an extra 20 grand. Now, ultimately, when price did actually pull back on me, it was quite scary, but that is when you need to trust in your analysis. And I knew that, hey, when I'm in my most logical state of mind, I make the best trading decisions possible. And I decided that my stop loss is going to be here and my take profit is going to be around here, and I'm going to possibly make 4 times my risk, right? And I'm going to hold until my take profit, because I know if I play the probabilities game, then my expectancy will come out positive in a long enough period of time. That's exactly what I did. Sadly, you know, I closed early, but you know, it is what it is. Still made 2 times my risk. It actually is a little bit more than 2 times my risk, because my total position was only like a $25,000 risk. So, you know,
that's what I'm saying. He's making like a 2 for 1, but like closing for like 0.4%, but making 100 racks. So like every video he could, all he's got to do is catch like 10, 15 pip drop, really. Like obviously US30 is a little bit different, but like, and then he's making insane profit.
It is what it is, guys. I mean, we're gonna have to wait and see for the next possible setup. Hopefully, you know, this quick breakdown did help you out. And again, I took this trade based off of a break and retest setup. And you know, the same setups that you guys could be taking, the same break and retest setups that you guys are possibly taking, was able to make me $100,000. So, you know, it's nothing crazy. Again, you know, I just simply follow my system and I trade my system.
Look at that, break below previous support, where I could easily impulse back to create new highs, retest bullish engulfing from when it pushed up, so therefore you're retesting here, push up, reject off the bodies, previous highs, and then sells, respecting, sells again. It's a beautiful test.
And I know that, hey, once I have a break of support, I'm going to wait for the retest. And if that selling pressure is established, that's when I will look to actually take all my short positions into the next level of support. Now, where can we possibly expect US30 to go next? Obviously, the next area is going to be this support level down here that we're going to have to wait and see what happens. I would like to see a pullback possibly until this level here. Realistically, I would like to see a pullback into maybe like this 33,800 level, which is in here. But I don't think that's going to happen. So at this point in time, how I would play this out is wait for US30 to break under this support level, which we have right here, and then I'll wait for a retest to then look to actually sell into 337.3. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this breakdown, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Make sure to subscribe to Raul, link is in the description. Great video, 100+ badge, congratulations. If you want me to react to anyone else, put in the comments down below. Like and subscribe to this video. Road to 100k subscribers, baby. It's been your boy TJ. I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, peace.